Hello friends and welcome back to your channel House to Home. This episode is on masala peanut recipe. Let's first see the ingredients required. You require oil for deep frying, fennel seeds, red chili powder, asafoetide, salt, 1 cup of roasted peanuts. Try to use very good quality peanuts. It's not necessary the peanuts has to be peeled. You can use it as like this. 6 to 7 crushed garlics, a handful of curry leaves, water to mix, gram flour, half a cup, and rice flour, 2 tablespoons. So these are all the ingredients required. Now let's start making. Take a bowl and add in the roasted peanuts. Add gram flour, the rice flour. Rice flour will give you a good crispiness. Add the crushed garlics. Salt as per your taste. Hinge powder, red chili powder, fennel seeds, and a little curry leaves. Now add in a little water and mix everything together. Your mix should not be watery. It should be in the consistency of that you make a pakoda. So add little by little water. If you want your food to be very colorful, you can use a pinch of red food color. I am not using it here. So this is the consistency. Don't add excess water. Add little by little water. Now heat oil in a kadai. Grease your hands with a little oil and drop the peanuts into the kadai for deep frying. Once your masala peanuts are completely roasted, transfer it to your bowl. In the same oil, roast a handful of curry leaves and top up it over the masala peanuts. That's it. A masala peanut is ready. Hope you will give this spicy snacks a try. And let me know your reviews and comments in the comment section box below. Subscribe and press the bell icon so that you'll not miss any notification from our channel. Follow us in social medias. Thanks for watching.